In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a row in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a sheet and add a clean, clickable link right where you need it. First, head to the homepage in Smartsheet. This is your central dashboard for creating and organizing work. If you already have a sheet open, you can follow along there, but I'll show the process from a fresh start so everything is clear. From Home, select Start a New Project, Program, or Process. This opens the creation experience where you can browse options. In the gallery, explore the company management area to see role-based templates. For this walkthrough, we're going to keep it simple and start from scratch. That gives us a blank canvas without any predefined columns or formatting, which is perfect for demonstrating links. Next, choose a new workspace starting point so your items are organized neatly from the beginning. When prompted for what to create, select Table. A table is a straightforward grid, ideal for capturing rows of information where each row might need its own link to a document, web page, or resource. With your new table open, click into the row where you want the link to live. You can place a link in any text-capable cell, so choose the column that makes the most sense for your workflow, perhaps a notes or resource column. Click the cell in that row to activate it. Now paste the link directly into the cell. Smartsheet recognizes standard URLs, so as soon as you paste and press enter, the cell becomes clickable. If the link doesn't activate, make sure it includes the full address, starting with HTTP. To keep your sheet clean and readable, you can change the display text. Click the linked cell again and update the text to something meaningful, like project brief or vendor agreement instead of a long URL. The link stays intact behind the scenes while the label stays short and friendly. If you need to adjust the destination later, edit the link. You can open the link editing option from the cell and update the URL or the display text. This is useful when a document gets moved or a web page changes. After editing, click away from the cell to save. Smartsheet saves updates automatically, so there's no extra step to commit the change. That's it. You created a new table, selected the right row, pasted your link, customized the display text, and learned how to edit it anytime. Use consistent labels, test your links with a quick click, and keep related links in a single column for a tidy, searchable sheet.